Hey Cupcake, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be giving you another product review. I bought this watch for my birthday gift in August. So I would like to show you all this before I start wearing it. So this is the Puma Ladies Contour Watch, 36 millimeters. The color is purple. I purchased this from Macy's.com on sale. The sale price was $47.81, which my totals, which includes sales tax, came up to $51.16. The original price of this watch was $75. So let's unbox this. So okay, this is the watch. This is how it looks. It's super cute. I love the clear purple band. So I really was hoping the band would have been thicker, but it's okay. It's okay. I won't complain, especially based on the price of this watch. It's super cute. I love the purple, the like cute little purple. I love the Puma logo in the watch with the colorful flag colors inside, details inside. This is a really nice watch. I like it. I really do. So if anyone's interested, I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in purchasing this watch. Maybe for yourself or for your kid or someone who needs a watch. And it's super affordable. But if it's still on sale, then snag this up. I mean, it's a deal. What more can you ask for? So okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this video and see y'all again until my next video. Bye.